Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Giraffe plays the maraca, shake, shake, shake. Long neck swaying, shake, shake, shake. Penguin plays the tambourine, ring, ring, ring. Waddles to the music, ring, ring, ring. Crocodile plays the trumpet, toot, toot, toot. Snappy smile shining, toot, toot, toot. Animal orchestra play along. Clap your hands and sing this song. Animal orchestra big and small, making music for us all. Zebra strums the guitar, strum, strum, strum. Black and white stripes, strum, strum, strum. Hippo on the drums, boom, boom, boom. Happy feet stomping, boom, boom, boom. Parrot plays the flute, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rainbow wings dancing, tweet, tweet,